I had these fondant rainbow canes left over from a Clay Extruder Experiment video, and I decided not to let them go to waste, so I decided to slice them up and roll them out and put them all over a cake to make like this psychedelic pattern. By the way, if you cut these into little circles and then cut those in half, you get little mini rainbows that you can use for all sorts of things. Anyway, that's a side note. But so I did this whole cake pattern, and then, spoiler alert, I covered dummies during my videos because I don't like to waste cake and I don't like to have the temptation of snacking. But I ripped off the fondant and I started to knead it into a ball to save it for another video or tutorial or something. But then when I saw the pattern that was forming, I thought it was so cool that I decided to roll it on out and put it onto another cake dummy to see what that looked like. So you'll see that at the end of the video, and tell me which one you think turned out better. The original pattern or the sort of marbled pattern. I like them both, actually. I can't decide.